Can I play?
No. Give me it. Enough! We need to watch something educational.
Welcome back to WVIK, Shanksville Viking News. I'm Corey, and today we're bringing a special report on a popular job opportunity for young people.
Hello, I'm Zach. In the industry of manufacturing has become an increasingly popular career choice.
That's right, Zach. Manufacturing is a diverse and exciting career path.
WVIK food reporter Alec joins us live outside Guy Chemical Incorporated to provide further insight into manufacturing.
Thanks, Corey and Zach. I'm Alec from Shanksville Viking News Network, standing outside of Guy Chemical Incorporated, a manufacturing company located in Somerset, PA. I'm here today to show you what is so cool about manufacturing.
Thanks, Alec. We'll catch up with you after you make your way to the Guy Chemical facility.
Zach, did you know that in 2019, 264,000 manufacturing jobs were added in the United States, representing the highest number of new workers since 1988?
No, I did not. Obviously, manufacturing is an important industry. Now back to Alec, who has made his way to production floor at Guy Chemical.
Thanks again, Corey and Zach. I am now inside the facility of Guy Chemical, and as you can see, it is a busy place. There are many different employees working on a variety of tasks, which indicates there are many different opportunities available in manufacturing. I had the opportunity to take a closer look at the operations and speak with a number of employees.
Manufacturing is where you bring together components, including labor, and you convert them into a different finished good.
The nice thing about manufacturing is there's all kinds of jobs depending on each skill level.
It's a very rewarding career, number one. There's always going to be manufacturing, no matter where you go.
There's always going to be, stuff that needs to be made. This is a job that's not going to go away.
Because one of the challenges we have is just finding enough employees that are willing to work.
I've always done manufacturing work. I'm a go-getter. I like to keep busy, and this is the perfect place for me.
Manufacturing is everywhere around you, so just look around.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.
I always thought manufacturing was tedious and unexciting until today.
I think we should get a job in manufacturing when we grow up.
Let's do it!